Looks good. I think we finally got something wired up here. Got a mounting bracket plate put together here. This is still in adjustment, but might work, guys. Wiring harness is a temporary, just I need to make sure that it will work. Kind of a temporary setup there on insulators. Got the harness cleaned up really nice though. That voltage regulator. Let's see if we can get it to start. Just turn off this light. Bit of an LED flicker, kind of an idle, but it smooths out. Part of what a battery does is it helps stabilizes the voltage, so you get a little more consistent light. But I'm pretty happy with this. We can run it.